Subscribe to Secret News and press the bell icon and never miss another news. Those forecasters at NOAA were right. Back in May, they predicted an above-normal 2017 Atlantic hurricane season, with 2 to 4 storms Category 3 or stronger. Well, so far we've had 3 hurricanes that exceed that standard: Harvey, Irma and Jose. The season got off to an unusually early start in April with Tropical Storm Arlene. The Atlantic hurricane season officially runs from June 1 to November 30. 4 more tropical storms followed: Brett, Cindy, Dawn and Emily. But then came August, and with it, a string of hurricanes, starting with Franklin, which made landfall in Mexico as a Category 1 storm. Hurricane Gert blew in next. The first Category 2 storm of the season, it drifted out over the Atlantic. The rest of the season is painfully familiar. Hurricane Harvey slammed into Texas as a Category 4 storm. Hurricane Irma at one point achieved Category 5 status as it has been churning towards Florida. Right behind is Jose, a Category 4. And did we mention Hurricane Katia? The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration based its forecast on a number of factors, including above-normal ocean surface temperatures. Category 3 storms pack winds of at least 111 miles per hour. If NOAA's prediction holds, we're due for yet one more big hurricane before the season is over.